Good morning. Are you ready for your procedure?
I'm a little nervous and I still have a few questions. Is it possible to implant the hair from the crown area?
Hair grows in a circular direction around a person's crown area. Crown area cannot be altered, they will stay in place for the rest of our lives. Sadly, hair loss is much easier to see in this area of our scalp, due to the varying direction of hair growth. However, it is entirely possible to implant hair into the whorl area. These grafts will also come from the back of the head area. It is important to emphasize when implanting here, that generally everyone's crown area has an epicenter. Some people may even have two. In 75% of cases, we see hair growing in a left to right spiral, meaning that the hair implantation process requires higher precision than other areas of the head. If you choose our clinic, we can guarantee that the hairs will be implanted in the right direction into your whorl. Not only will it be nice and thick, but the crown area will be implanted according to the direction of your natural hair growth. Unfortunately, some clinics do not always keep this in mind and sometimes implant hairs all in one direction, producing artificial looking results.
When will I see results in the crown area after the implantation?
Hair in the crown area grows at the same pace as anywhere else on the scalp, meaning you will start seeing results after 6 months. However, a few additional months are needed to achieve the final state. I would like to note that if you get hair implanted into your crown area, it is a good idea to wear your hair about 2 centimeters longer in the future, because the longer your hair is, the more coverage you get and the thicker it will seem, which is especially important in the crown area. So, if I have answered all your questions, then let's get started. If you would like to see similar content, subscribe. We hope to see you soon at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.